An Instagram post featuring former Miss Ukraine Anastasia Lena holding a gun has gone viral, with many people applauding her for standing up against Russia. But is Lena, who has Ukraine's representative in the Miss Grand International competition in 2015, actually fighting against the Russian military forces? She clarified a post on Monday, February 27, 2022, saying, "The photo was meant to inspire people. I am not a military, just a woman, just normal human," she said. "Just a person like all people of my country. I do not do any propaganda except showing that our women of Ukraine strong, confident, and powerful," Lena added. I am Wasim Raza from Italy, and you are watching Global TV.
Anastasia Elena